Well, we are now 25 seconds away from liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket.
About 30 seconds, I counting.
15 seconds. And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
there it is.
5.
Hey, we got the right one. Yeah, we got it.
2,
Look at
1.
that. Watch this, baby. Watch this.
And liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket on the Starlink 6-58 mission. Getting ready to add 23 more Starlink satellites to the constellation in low Earth orbit, bringing the total to 6,000 orbiting the Earth.
Dang, that's bright.
We're now 30 seconds into the mission. Let's listen to the roar of those 9 Merlin 1D engines.
Wow. It's just very bright.
Now a minute into flight. Falcon 9 coming up on max Q, the point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle.
Oh, you can hear it?
Falcon 9 supersonic, traveling faster than the speed of sound.
This is so awesome, baby.
Some great tracking views from our team here. Got the call of vehicles past through max Q. Coming up will be a few different events in fairly rapid succession.
Yeah, we got it.
We'll see first stage manage and cutoff, or MECO, at about 2 minutes and 25 seconds into flight. That'll be followed by stage separation 3 seconds later, and then second stage engine start, SES-1. Will culminate with the fairing deployment just about at the 3-minute mark.
Yeah, that's awesome. We got
Great
all
shots
of it.
from our team here. This view from Adam Bernstein. His tracking camera here at the press site.
That is a money shot
Cycling
right there.
between
That is so
him,
awesome.
Pete, Chuck. This view from Pete Karstens.
Yeah, but it's gonna keep going for a while. Just watch.
Now about 5 seconds away from MECO.
Yeah, but it'll start up again.
There's
There it
manage
goes.
cutoff.
It's a
Stage
second
separation.
engine.
Second stage engine start.
Look at yours.
And some great views from the onboard cameras there. Falcon 9 first and second stages. Coming up on fairing deployment in just a few seconds.
That is so
See those grid
awesome,
fins
baby.
deploying on the Falcon 9 first stage. There you see the payload fairings now falling away in Pete's camera view. Great shot, Pete. Should see the same momentarily in the SpaceX feed. And there you have it. About 3.5 minutes to flight. The next milestone we're anticipating is the first stage entry burn beginning. That'll come up at about T plus 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Yeah, but it's still going. You'll see it afterwards. Yeah. It's not supposed to disappear. It'll stay there. It's actually, it's like light painting, so it'll keep everything the whole time.
Now a little more than 4 minutes into flight so far, all going smoothly with this mission.
It's great.
And a great little streak of sunset that you can see from the Falcon 9's upper stage camera.
Yeah, it's still there.
Just a tiny little crescent of the Earth's
You won't see it,
atmosphere
but your camera will. It's not there. You
beyond
see
that Merlin vacuum engine.
it? That little dot. And it'll keep drawing a line on your screen. That was
Those
perfect.
bursts that you're seeing from the Falcon 9 first stage camera view. There's the cold gas thrusters, which help to adjust the attitude of the vehicle.
So nice out there.
Now 5 minutes into flight. You're now just a little more than a minute away from the start of that first stage entry burn beginning. Now, depending on the level of cloud in between our cameras and the Falcon 9 first stage, we may be able to bring you the first stage entry
like another
burn
5 minutes and we won't see
from
it
our
anymore.
tracking cameras here.
15 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't even know.
It's dark enough that we should be able to see it, but
They're
again,
talking about it.
it'll all depend on how
got
much
video right there of
or
the
how many
whole thing.
clouds and the thickness of them
That's
between
why it's
us
a rocket.
and the Falcon 9 first stage. We will do our level best. If we can, we'll be sure to bring that to you.
Yeah, it'll come straight down if it's in our range, if it's landing on land.
Now less than 20 seconds away from the first stage entry burn beginning.
Yeah, that was cool. Come on.
Burn should be getting underway now in real time.
There it is. There's the landing rocket right there. You see it?
Yeah.
That's the one that they
And some great work
kicked
by
off. There it is. Yeah, we got
our
it.
team here.
Did yours get it?
First view
I think it did.
from Adam. Now looking at Pete's camera. Well done, gentlemen.
Nice.
And as your burn now wrapped up in real time, you're seeing it coming in at a slight delay from the SpaceX feed.
Oh my goodness, baby. This is awesome.
Stage 1 entry burn shut down.
That's it.
Stage 2 FTS.
That's about all you're going to see.
Some good call-outs from SpaceX as things continue to move nominally on this flight. That glow that you're seeing in Chuck Brick's camera, that is the Falcon 9 second stage. That Merlin vacuum engine that you see there in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen.
You ready? Oh, Greg sent me one too. That's interesting. I got a crazy lens flare on mine. Watch.